3, 2, 1, 0. Ok, regardez le professeur, regardez-moi. J'ai besoin de votre attention. Ok, classe. Tu vas prendre la feuille du jour. Tu vas regarder la partie les notes personnelles. Les notes personnelles. Les notes personnelles. Tu vas regarder cette partie-là. Ok. C'est bon? Oui? Okay. Il y a des directions. So we're gonna, since we've never done this before, really, or at least not for something like this, I'm gonna give you the directions in English the first time. So what you're going to do is pick, and not, you can't do it yet because they're kind of covered up with the screen. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna read over the sentences we wrote. And you're gonna pick one of those sentences to copy into your personal notes section, okay? So you're not going to do it yet. You're going to wait a minute. You're going to write it really carefully in the personal notes. And then you're going to pick one word or part of the sentence to take out. For example, if you wrote the sentence, Madame Quill va dormir ce weekend, that means Mrs. Quill is going to sleep this weekend, then you would pick one word to take out of the sentence. So you write like a line instead of the word. So you want to write the whole sentence first, then you want to pick which word you're going to take out. So I could write then, Madame Quill va blank ce weekend, Madame Quill blank dormir ce weekend, blank va dormir ce weekend, or Madame Quill va dormir ce blank. So I'm going to put a blank and take a word out. Then what we're going to do is we're actually going to create multiple choice questions in Gimkit with Kit Collab. And what you're going to do is you're going to, for your question, you're going to type in the sentence with the missing word. And then you're going to type in 4 possible answers. The first answer is always the correct answer. They're going to move them around after they're all entered in the computer. And then you put 3 incorrect answers. So for example, this could be what your question and answers could look like. So, Madame Quill va dormir ce weekend is the correct answer. But then I put in 3 answers that are not real. I'm not going to play football. I'm not going to go to New York. And I'm not going to play video games. Okay? So these are the 3 not correct answers. But please do not pick any words that are not up on the board or that we haven't talked about in class. Don't look something up on Google Translate or anything like that. It has to be things that are on the board. So what you're going to do right now is you are going to pick your sentence. So regardez les phrases, choisissez une phrase. Pick a sentence, and then you're going to write the sentence exactly like it looks here, where it says personal notes on your paper. So pick a sentence. Choisissez une phrase. And if you need to walk over there to look at it, that's fine. If it's too far away or you can't see it, you can walk up there. All right, so once you've picked your sentence, you're going to write the whole sentence. Make sure you write the whole sentence correctly on your paper. And then you need to decide which word am I going to take out? Which word am I not going to use that I'm going to take out to make the question? So figure that out. So everybody got their sentence? Tout le monde a copié? Okay. So now figure out what word are you going to take out then you're going to get logged into Gimkit. And you can turn around if you're at a seat where you want to turn around to be on your computer. If you don't have your device, work with a partner. And if you are working with a partner, put both your names in when you log in. So what you're going to do now is you're going to take that sentence you wrote and you're going to turn it into a question like I showed you the example. You're going to take out one word. That word makes it the correct answer. And then you're going to also put in 3 incorrect answers for it. All right? And then once you enter it into Gimkit, I will be able to tell you if your question is correct or not, and then we're going to play. We'll let it quick. C'est bon? Pas de problème? Well, the problem is they live usage de mes données ce week-end. Il n'y a pas de moyen de savoir que c'est la réponse correcte. Donc c'est pour ça que j'ai dit de choisir une phrase du tableau. Parce que si tu choisis une phrase du tableau, tout le monde a vu la phrase, ils ont la possibilité de répondre correctement. Donc tu vois. Okay. Claudia et Natalia vont à la foire de Frédéric. C'est bon. Blank va faire des corvées ce week-end. Logan va blank des devoirs ce week-end. C'est bon. Joy va faire des corvées ce week-end. Je vais dormir ce week-end. Okay. The only thing, Julie, did we write a sentence about you? Okay, and it said Julie va dormir ce weekend. So, yeah, so I'm going to reject that and send it back to you, so just fix it, because they're not going to know what the correct answer is. Si on va aller à l'église ce weekend, c'est bon. Corey va jouer avec... so Angie, put in there avec, and then put the word son, S-O-N, which means his. Okay. So you're going to say with his dog. Because otherwise it just says with dog.
Okay.
Claudia et Nadia vont à la foire de Frédéric, c'est bon. Claudia et Nadia vont à la foire de Frédéric, c'est bon. Sion va aller à l'église ce week-end. Okay. Claudia va faire l'entraînement de natation ce week-end. Claudia et Nadia vont à la blank de Frédéric, c'est bon. And we're probably going have several questions that are similar or the same, and that's okay. Ishan va regarder le match de football américain ce week-end. Logan va faire les devoirs. Abby, just take the U. Actually, devoir is D-E-V-O-I-R-S. D-E-V-O-I-R-S.
Is this one?
Yep. Okay, and Karen, à l'église is 2 words. So I'm gonna, because it's 2 and then the church. So it's à and then L apostrophe E-G-L-I-S-E. À L apostrophe E-G-L-I-S-E, à l'église. So I'll let you fix that. Andreas, I need you to put a blank for that, like where it's supposed to go. It's devoir is D-E-V-O-I-R-S. All right, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and play. On va jouer. Oh.